Naka ngaleri FMR khui kathui border fencing kasali makhamiya Manipur naka long rapina Indian shokarli simiksho makui ultimatum mihair. Ukrul kamjong with zangda Manipur lecturers pina bend down strike kasana worship ngadadaidali sajadale regularization process kupsang kami pohair. Ringyaophi, Tangkhul Express Pvt pau Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamidale pau ping misaina nangrumsa. Naga ancestral homelandly free movement regimes kwikatui kala border fencing kasali makhamiang avauda Manipurli khalei naga long raping na Indian shokarli ultimatum mihaira. Maramji yangsang mikhawai zimiksho magathang mihaira. Maram wuivang United Naga Council UNC, All Naga Students Association, Manipur Ansam, Naga Women's Union NWU Kala, Naga People's Movement for Human Rights South, NPMHRS na ultimatum misanghaira. Ultimatum ji Manipur Governor wi mangaina, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Minister of External Affairs Dr. S. Jaishankar, Ministers of Defense Rajnath Singh atumni mibahaira. FMR kuitui kami kala Indo-Myanmar leirat ngavai kapinna sagaze indigenous communities pingli mga sandla border fencing kasali makamya pongshok lushita sada kaleji India na endorse kasa United Nations Declarations on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples untripli matung makan haira gaji hangsang maram hiwang press chan pau ngadaidali mishok haira. Naga kapan pamni Shorkar Office picket kasa yarina protest kala release ngatadaida sada makamya chithei kahaina. Kala FMR khuigatui la naga ngalei pamni border fencing kasali makamya memorandum la ngatadaida misang kahaina kachi ultimatum jili hangsanga. Hiwi maramli Union Home Minister li tharau 19-2024 li UNC na misang Marun 1-2025 li ansam na misanga. Jandal District li released at the Prime Minister li Maroon 12-2025 li Jandal's Naga People's Organization CNPO NSUC kala Naga Chief Association Jandal na misanga. Kamjong li la released at the Manipur Governor li Maroon 21-2025 li Tangkhul Naga Zingsho Longpang na memorandum misanga. Ukrul li Tangkhul Naga Long Nathanda UNC wi azingli mass release at the Kaying 2025 li Prime Minister li TNL, TNAL, TSL, TGS, TMNL, TNZL, Tangkhul Naga Adolongpang, Tangkhul Naga Azelongpang kala Tangkhul Naga Zingdun Longpang na memorandum misanga. Karam 2025 li la UNC na Governor li memorandum misanga. Maroon 26-2025 li la ansam na misanga. Ministry of External Affairs Prime Minister of India, Home Minister of India li Makhu 20-2025 li ansam na memorandum misanga. Prime Minister of India, Union Home Ministers of India, Governor of Manipur li Makhu 20-2025 li Senapati District Students Association na memorandum misanga. Prime Minister of India, Union Home Minister of India kala Governor of Manipur li Makhu 20-2025 li Tangkhul katamnaw saklong na misanga. Prime Ministers of India, Union Home Minister of India kala Governor of Manipur li Makhu 20-2025 li Naga Students Union Jandal na misanga. Governor li Marang 12-2025 li Tangkhul Naga Long na misanga. Maram hiwivang Indian shokarli kapo kayakha misanga highway chili itungmui ancestral ngalei kala peoplehood wi legitimate rights wivang zimiksho magathangwi ultimatum hi kamina dahanga. Free movement regimes tang kami notification or order ji Government of India nangalangda revoke sa pulungra. Naga ancestral land li border fencing sada khalei kala demarcations ot sada khalei saikoruk nga sam pulungra. Naga civil societies kala affected stakeholders pingli Indian shokarna kakhalat khalei atam kacha chan ngazek khuika phulungra gaji hi demand sahir poda khalei hi ultimatum mishok thang gaja direct magada khniena haupokta jimiksho maggu alungli masamieka naga hill district saikorali sakhamaya protest movement khuika haura da hangmatin haira Lecturers Association Manipur 2018 batch LAM na band down strike kasali ukrul kala kamjong we lecturers pingnala shiro khuidale Shorkar na tui mi kahai masa khami wuivang maring kapha pongshokta association jina direct magada akha win haupokta magada thruk aina tangda ot masala strike sada khleina Tharau 8 2022 li Education Commissioner na athumwe regularization order mishokda higher secondary lecturers we entitled pay and allowance G 2023 khaying kachang we na mirada hang haina ka concerned authority na regularization process che Mokup mitu la atomwe entitled regular salary jila mamitu wada hanga. Authorities na saran masamila lecturers ping jina worshimly oting root ka kwe machat mana kachi hanga. Regularizations process je takta kupsang mida atomwe regular salaries mikawai ngakaudale. 2018 li contract basis aina lecturers shaturok apakatum kwisanga. 25 ngapei 2019 li lecturers appoint salaga state cabinet tuitak athishurda tharau 8 2022 li regularize saga hainaji regularizations order athishurda entitled pay and allowance ji 2023 khayingwena haupokran ka hainaji Saza the Khalei lecturers Bingji Ukrul District Willi Dalui Higher Secondary Academy Somdal NK Higher Secondary School Jasami Higher Secondary School kala Ukrul Higher Secondary School da lecturers magada gatum zanga Kamjong District Shong Kasom Kolan Higher Secondary School Kamjong Higher Secondary School kala Pungyer Higher Secondary School with lecturers trada akha zanga Atumli Miran regular salary pota atumna contract talop maga khui kachang jishat kahairaji Ukrul Higher Secondary School with principal as Joshana kahang regularize Sadatar lecturers being a band down strike kasajina worshim jili kasak sampangdale. Ukrul Higher Secondary School li newly regularized lecturers trada aka winga jaili pangana English lecturers na strike kasajina thang we classes li shake khut leidale. Tangkhul chishut me la zangda worshim jili tangkhul in English class makhui pailale. Newly regularized lecturers jili Biology lecturers madi zangda science lila normal classes kakwili kasak sampangdale. Strike kasajina arts kadam now binglila sajadaleya. Kadam kashili masaj kawai kala school administration li kahap malay kawai maram hili shorkarna yang sang kami worship principal jina kakaw haida.
Due to this pen down strike presently going on by this newly regularized lecturer, our school, Ukraya Secondary School, is having a hard time. Because 11 of them are newly regularized lecturer group. Class has been disrupted. We are not able to take Tangkhul class. We are unable to take English class. And also, above this, 4 biology lecturers are there. So in science, also we are facing difficulties in taking biology. And history, pol science, which all the art students are taking, we have section ABC in class 11 and 12. So we are having great shortage in all these areas. So with this pen down strike, from yesterday, our class has been disrupted. And we are having very hard time, and I appeal to the government to look into this matter so that the student will not be deprived of their learning, and also the school administration can smoothly function as before, in spite of all the shortages. This short message I would like to place before the press so that immediate action be taken by the concerned authority.
12th Manipur Legislative Assembly with constitutional status li Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC na Khangahan Sahira. Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali Memorandum Misangda Assembly hi Leida khalei ka constitutional default in a dissolve saka hai khala thermi khawai Congress Party na formal clarification demand sahiram. MBCC minginin ningompam Bubendra na kahang Manipur Assembly with Kanawa Gazip pay 12 2024 lina. MBCC na kahang Indian Constitution Article 174 with Hishoda Legislative Assembly with session kanga Sam Kachang Thruk Malang by Manam. Marun Kachang Pamrada Lakasa session cancel Saka Haijina constitutional lapse laying a Sakhairada party Jina Hanga. Chikata procedural violations Jina Assembly invalidate Kasa Maningaka automatic dissolutions Rang Sakpayada Kangarai case Kateli Supreme Court na observe Saka Hai Maram party Jin Hangsang. The Menglong District Davijang Kali Nakap Kangarokli Establo Militants Group Makaning we Gedre Panga Ti Hairakaji Pau Sampanga. Ochochi Ayangator Kashokna Kangakapji Semda Masangrangaji Gugi Jint Militants outfit Kaniwi alongli Kashokna Tahanga. Bawat Hishoda suspensions of operations establo incrementally Magazang United Kuki National Army UGNA Kala Chin Kuki Mizo Army CKMA we Ochotna. Kangakapli Tikasang Bingji UGNA Wika CKMA Wikala or Zakahai Matai Manaji. UGNA Kala CKMA Kanini Jin Gugi community we armed element Zangda Manipur Hill District Kala Indo-Myanmar border Pamli operate Sayad Hanga. Itumna Paning by Achakachang Kugi National Army with Deputy Commander-in-Chief Sagatadli United Kugi National Army Zangada Kahangle. Ayawe Ocho Juwitili Security Force na Apam Chili Surveillance Malingme Hairaji Ka State Police La Central Force with official statement Kashok Matay Manaji. Pawi Imphal Times Wetishuda Kamina. Wako India National Kickboxing Championship Li Manipur na gold shini bronze katum sampanghaira. Ngahanji ajahon tarik trada thrukai na hapokta magai na tangda Balbir Junija Indoor Stadium Raipur Jadishkarli Makhok Mida Manipur we Kangareo now Jishat Vazanga. Mayor Nawili Y Toisana 60 kg S Diva 67 kg Kala Bubend Mutum 63 kg atum gold medal akarip sampanga. Shinawili Y Lasmi Devi 45 kg kala TH Omila Janu 40 kg anina gold avavu sampanga. Kala S Tondonba Meite 60 kg A Haridash Meite 54 kg and Yaifabi Janu 50 kg atumna bronze Quingaroka. Moirang tempt Janing Kombi Januna Dim Coach Kala Kangembumd Basanda Singh na referee Sada Vazanga Kaji United Associations of Kickboxing Organizations Manipur na Pau Mishoka. Parliament Monsoon Session Simiksho Kakane Tangla Kare Tangwithata Ngawun Rob Ngasama Manda Kupsanghaira. Opposition na issues nga data nga san kawai demand kasa nga vauta proceedings li shekakut le hawaji. Opposition na nga san kawai kapoli Operation Sindur Pahalgam der attack Bihar we voter roll special intensive revision SIR hiping hi kamataya sada zanga. National concern maramli nga san kawai shorkar na mayaya kaji Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju na hanga. Ka issue pingji atam mazangla house li nga langda kwikaka opposition na demand sada slogans nga vaw placard singda makamya pongshoka. Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla na 0R zatwa khawai sada farmers kala public welfare maramli hangsang khawai kathonga. Opposition na nga san khawai issue wuivang demand kasa longli house chi nga shun ina tangda adjourned sahawa. Rajya Sabha la opposition MP ping na protest sada preside kasa Deputy Chairman Harivansh na House adjourned sawa House kanini ngashun hapok lushida kon kazar jina legislative business matada mokwika pai tuwachi. Lok Sabha bung kani na dangda adjourned salulaka nauda ngasam chaw hawa Rajya Sabha la protest kasana mga mawa tuwachi. Parliamentary proceedings li kaha wuivang Minister Kiran Rijiju na opposition li makamya pongshokta yarwi resource sing kakhayang penhaira. Opposition na gabo maram pingje ngasan khawai sarkar na mayaya kha rot khamrat asak avat chikatha masapai mana kaji rijichu na hanga. BJP we jagbam bika bal nala operation sindurje ngasan khawai scheduled saga haina kaji hangsanga. India we Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar Otpam Johaira. Ano hordang resignation misang the health concern wuivang ina Otpam Joho kahaina dahanga. Awi resignations Chief President Draupadi Murmu na misang da ngalang da mayami haira. Dhankar na Vice President Office 2022 pega jang kuya kalahawi Otpam atam zingkum kani kada leifada khalei. Kaswirak shoka hai hina political luiramli ningkamong la kangahan lengasa khaira. Medical maram wuivang nada hang salala health concerned wuivang mang maning mara thukamai maram leida leira. Ruling aina makacha kika lei marawa gachi kaikana paningdale. Resignation tling asunda Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Dhankar wi yari ot mga kuimi kahai maram li kapishoka. Jagdeep Dhankar Jina Kashap apong da data ngalei hili otram ngatum mihaira kaji hangda ali pasa kamata wish kasa Prime Minister na Twitter li kapishoka. India will create a fully indigenous geothermal power plant Arunachal Pradesh li semkidale. Aya officials na kahang 50 kilowatt plant ji temperature kanem 68 degrees Celsius li operate sara Kalaji Centers for Earth Science and Himalayan Studies CSHS na Shri Ram Institute for Industrial Research SIIR na semkawai Memorandum of Understanding Shoy Sahira. CSHS we Geoscience Chief Rubankar Raj Khowa na kahang project ji Tawang District li semra. Mago tingbu kala damdeng hibinghi semkapai apam sada machut haidale. Project ji with structural mapping kala preliminary research kupsang haira. Itum na theipai geothermal power plant kachihi electricity mishok vai facility na. O katui earth we katukvu kotzang laga natural kasa heat khalei shijin kuida electricity kui kashok na. Project ji jingkum katumwe lungli semkup kawai ngarandale kalachina mi machine tinghang phanga kadali serve saraji Arunachal Pradesh li semgida khalei fully indigenous geothermal power plant ji assembly lupa crore thralang da zangra amanji Ministry of New and Renewable Energy MNR in a fund samirad hanga. Ukhrul district li khalei JNV Ramvali class 6 tam kawai online application ngohotale. PM Shri School Jawahal Navadiya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 with session 2026 to 27 class 6 tamkawai selection test saura. Class 6 selection test chi ajikum kayon December tarik trada katum thang rungmira. Porekha wuivang application July marangachang hiwi tarik magadi jikona khanawang simiksho ngasara. Selection test wuivang candidates chi 2014 kum May Karam tarik akaina hapokta 2016 July marang tarik tumrata akaina tangda welungle kaparana ngasap lungra. Academic session 2024 to 25 li class 5 tam kahai pasa kahai ping selection test hili mazang paimara. Kala candidates ji Ukhrul district in class 5 full academic session tam palungra. Selection test ji candidates akana khani shide apply masa paimara. Repeat ka sathe ka selection test ji mathang sak maram. PM Shri School Jawahal Navadiya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukhrul 1 thi co-educational residential school na. Chili free education board kala lodging miyam. NCC Scout and Guides games and sports hikata high miyam. Class 6 Dam Kawai selection test with registrations wuivang website cpse.itms.rcil.government.in and vsli vapaira. Help desk Singsho Zimikli 700-5495-121 Kala W Dana Shyamkli 811-8942-325 Li Ngahan Paira. Ukhrul District Headquarters Li Rungmiki Kachi Legal Awareness Program Li Rajang Kawai Village Authority Minin Bingli Manipur State Legal Service Authority MASLS in Ngahotale. Legal awareness to the right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitations and Resettlement Act 2013 Wimaramli Hangjiteira. Ang ranangi hi tangkhul naka awungalong TNA ling shikta makok kamina. Legal awareness program jikajang hiwi tarik magada thuruk thang apamna Jubilee Hall UBC apam ngathor pung trada akhain hawpokta ngashun pung khani na tangra. Ang ranangi chili Manipur High Court Chief Justice MAS LSAW Patron-in-Chief Justice K. Somashekhar na masawa sada zangra. MAS LSA Executive Chairman Manipur High Court with Judge Justice A.P. Molsing, HCLSC Chairman Manipur High Court Judge Justice A. Ganeshwar Sharma Galatianil President Swart Vashum Atum Khayawa Sada Vazangra. Legal Awareness Program Chili Tangkhawai Kagajivu Eina Village Headman Linga Soda VA Mi Khani Rami Khawai Ngahotele. Wuivang Ku Abavuli Tie Lupa Ting Kamira Ngator Pazat Ngaran Mira. Ladluida Ajiwi Kamataya Pauping Naka Ngalairi FMR Kwikatwe Border Fencing Kasali Makamia Manipur Naka Long Rapina Indian Shokarlis Miksho Makui Ultimatum Mihair Ukrul Kamjong with Zangda Manipur lecturers Pina bend down strike Kasana worship at the daily Sadzadale regularization process Kupsang Kami Pohair Ajiwi Pau Hiling a Janghaira Pau Nada Glintum saikorali Ringyaophi Kalakamhai Zimikshong Sa Sereno.